All right, this is the math models unit 8 lesson 9 video, last one for this unit. This is kind of related to some of the other problems we've done in the past or in the previous lessons, but two main ideas here dealing with retirement plans. One of the main ideas here is talking through just how investing money in a retirement plan can save you money in taxes now. And then also, just generally speaking, how a retirement plan makes you money for retirement, how those accounts kind of develop and uh, gain interest. So, the first type of problem is going to be a few of these is this type of problem where it asks about taxes. It says Peter contributes $450 per month to his retirement account before withholding taxes are taken out. If his tax bracket is 35% of his annual income, how much is he saving in taxes each year? So the idea here is that if he puts $450 into this retirement account, he will not pay taxes on that money, which is typically how retirement accounts work. So that means that that money is put directly into that account, and he's not going to have to pay that 35% that he usually pays on all the money he makes. So the question is if we take that money and we find out what 35% of it is, that's actually how much money he's saving just from not having to pay the taxes. So if he put that money into just his checking account and just used that money, he would be losing that 35% because it would be taxed. But because it's going into a retirement account, it's not being taxed. So the idea we need to find out is how much each year. So we know he gives $450 per month. So let's jump over to our calculator and say, well, if he does $450 per month, then that means he's putting in $5,400 per year. That's the amount he's doing per year as opposed to per month. And if he has to pay 35% in taxes, 35% of that answer, 35%, oops, and I messed up. Let me go back, 412, okay. And then 35% of that answer, which is right here, for 5,400. So 35% of that answer is 1,890. So that's how much money he saves in taxes if he just puts it directly into a retirement account. So that's how these work. This type of question works. That's going to be like number 2, number 4, number 6, number 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, all of this. So all the even numbered questions are going to be like that. Then we'll look at the retirement account question. It says here, Peter contributes $450 per month to his retirement account. Peter's retirement account is earning 9.75% per year, compounded monthly. How much will he have in the account in 30 years? So we're going to do this using a calculator for the same annuity calculator that we used before. So we're going to do the deposit amount, which in this problem was $450 per month. So it's monthly. So I choose that it's monthly payments. He's putting in $450. He is earning 9.75%. That's what it goes right here, 9.75%. And we're going to know how much in 30 years. So when we calculate it, we get 972,000. And you're going to put the one that's closest. Like I said before, these calculators are kind of all going to get different answers. But you'll find one is going to be closer than the others. And so that's our answer for this problem. So in all of these, you're going to have a problem with the tax question, followed immediately by a problem about the retirement account. And so you're just going to alternate back and forth between those two options. I'll be putting a link in the video description for this calculator, so you make sure you use the right one. And then I will get started with our unit. Let me know if you need any help.